What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new video, hope you're doing alright, and today once again we're gonna be watching some more idiots in cars. This is episode number 122. So yeah, thank you guys for your overwhelmingly amazing support, it really means the world to me. And now, with that being said, sit back, relax, and let's dive into this. Alrighty, I bet we're about to see something smart here. Whoa, there we go. There we go. Getting whacked by a bumblebee, it's not something you see every day. Let's see here. Come on, power! Whoa! That was almost a pole position. But other than that, it was very well parked, indeed. Oh, dearie me. That was a big... Hey, yo, where are you going, bro? This is what happens when you're having a fight with your siblings and then mother walks in. It's exactly like that. But anyways, let's see. His name is John Cena. Looks like someone has a beef. I don't know what's going on here, but maybe he just doesn't like the blue collar. Who knows? Bravo 6, firing in 3, 2, 1, fire! That looked like a setup to me, like a European version of a drive-by, you know? Hey, chill, bro. This is tell me you have a BMW without actually telling me you have a BMW.
Running from the cops.
This is that moment right there. Look at him. He's like, my genius knows no bounds. It's frightening sometimes.
That look.
He's running away, but the point still stands. So moving on. Whoa, easy, bro. Oof. And it's a pole position. The most anticipated moment of this video is finally here. But anyways, on to the next one. Whoa. That dude is hauling ass. He woke up and chose power. And that's what... Whoa! What on earth was that? Joj, majko mila. Pa vi vozite na plin. Šta da vam kažem? I definitely haven't seen something like this in a while. Whew, that was scary. And now it's time for us to drive on the wrong side of the road. Round of applause for this genius. Driving god is in a house. What the hell is this? Bro, stop bullying that Golf. Or maybe he's just saving fuel. He turned off the car and let the truck just do its thing, you know? And once again, welcome to the parking wars. Slow and steady, slow and steady. Come on now, power! Oh. I actually did this once. Only I intentionally gave it a little push, you know? This guy went full in. Whee! Let's go, boys! Come on, donuts! This is how you actually call the police without a phone. Well, that went almost... Well... Well, at least he didn't crash, so we'll give him a pass. Hey, whoa, 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 brake, 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 no, 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 no. Hold it, bro, hold it. Do a 360 at least, no. I guess the 180 will do. But jokes aside, this guy was very lucky. Very lucky. Hey, yo, careful, man. Oh, looks like bro's controller has been disconnected. Oh, what is this? This should be fun. There we go. Never trust a silver BMW from 2002. Because here in my country, everybody uses it as a showing off tool. They want to show they have money, but in reality, they're just pathetic. Whoa. Now we have two buses, I guess. I just hope that bus was empty. I really do. And this right here is when you forget your mechanic is still working on your car. What the hell, bro? But anyways, where was I? Yeah, BMWs, silver BMWs from around 2002. They buy it here in my country. I'm talking about my country. They buy it and then show off like they're mafia or they're rich, you know? You know the type. And then the girls are like, but he has a BMW. Shut up, bitch. It's a rusty box from a scrapyard. Speaking of which, here's another one. Pulling another 900 IQ play right there. Wrong side, you dingleberry. So yeah, it's just the way it is here. Sometimes it's really funny. You know, they post on Instagram and they think they're driving gods and all that. It's real funny. But of course, don't get me wrong. You buy whatever you can, of course, but when they try to show everybody how rich they are with a rusty bucket, $1,000 barely running car, that's cringe. What do you think about that, guys? Let me know in the comments. Oh, goodbye, Will. Plays in the background. When I see you again. Oh, careful, careful. Oof. The man's drunk. Jampiko zemlja. Oh, looks like he's going for another round. Ooh, oh. Or maybe not.
Hit the brakes, dude. Hit the brakes.
What the hell is wrong with this guy? He's all over the place. Pull over, dude. Why? Oh, oh, hold it, hold it. Oh, I would keep the distance. That's for sure. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh my god.
That's one way to stop it. Let's take a look if we can. What the hell is wrong with this guy? Or maybe it's a she, I don't know. But one thing's for sure, that guy, that Amazon guy is like, well, I guess I'm coming home earlier today. And here we have another pole position to add to our collection. Here we have another Mitsubishi who isn't behaving himself. At least it's not too bad. He realized his mistake. And that's a plus. Let's see here.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
Damn, bro, what the hell was that all about? He just swerved to the left, like he was trying to get him, you know? And it looks like he got another one. Bro's wildin', I'll tell you that. What do we have here? Whoa! You gotta be careful, man. Just because they're letting you pass, it doesn't mean it's safe to go, you know? Whoa, I wonder if you know how they live in USA. That was a nice little drift. Let's move on. Oh, oh, what the heck? Ooh, whoa. I'm confused. That was an ankle breaker, but I don't know why. Whoa, 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 whoa. That went much better than I thought. All I see here is a lawnmower blocking our way. Move on. Gotta move on, come on. Come on, you can do it, come on. Get on the power, come on. It's the pedal to the right. What is this guy doing, bro? But anyways, that's it for today, guys. It's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed all of these beautiful power, dingleberry and pole position moments. And yeah, like I said, that's it for today. Thank you very much for the support. I love you guys. And please leave a like, a comment and subscribe if you haven't already, of course. Oh, peekaboo. So don't forget to power every day, guys. And I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao, ciao.